Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today's video will be like a Sunday reset regarding my hair. I relaxed my hair sometime in December. I did not get a chance to do like a wash day because I don't have all the products that I would usually use. I'm going to work with what I have today, and you guys can use this routine for your next wash day. So I usually use this shampoo on my relaxer day to wash. It's a neutralizing shampoo. It's a neutralizing shampoo, so I usually use this on my relaxer day to like wash out the relaxer itself. But I'm using that today, using this first. Then I would go in with my creamy aloe shampoo mix. Once I'm through with that, then I will be going in with my homemade protein mix. It's a simple recipe. I'm going to use mayonnaise, egg, and a few teaspoons of my hair growth oil mix. Leave that on for a couple minutes, and then I will wash that out and deep condition. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be in the know when I upload a brand new video. And please remember to follow me on TikTok at Sharalee Lewis. So yeah, I have not done anything at all to my hair since I did my relaxer. This is hair still look good and everything. It's just that it's dirty and it's shedding. So yeah, I need to get that in check. I really stopped caring for my hair. I don't know why, but I really stopped caring for my hair since I've moved here. It's now winter. I know that because I'm not accustomed to adjusting my hair, you know, I put like a moisturizer on my face because my face look dry, man. As I was saying, when I was in Jamaica, I didn't really have to switch up my hair. Long, man. You catch me around here, so yeah. So when I was in Jamaica, I really didn't have to adjust my routine for the specific season. I'm here now in the UK. I noticed that I do have to adjust my routine. It's winter now, so I need to adjust my routine to facilitate that. I don't have to worry about the water damaging my hair because I already changed out my shower head and everything, because that's where I wash my hair. So I really don't have to worry about the hard water damaging my hair. I don't have to worry about that. I just need to get back in the groove of caring for my hair on a weekly basis and see how best I can get it to its best health. I just combed my hair. This is the amount of hair that I lost. I don't think that's bad, because you know when you're not really comb your hair, it shed a little bit. Yeah, I don't think the shedding is that bad, but I do need to get the protein treatment done. It has been a very long time since I've done one of that, and I am going to see if I can do that today. Because this is my very first wash day after my relaxer, I'm going in with this shampoo first. Using it like a clarifying shampoo. So I'm going in with this one first, and then I go in with my ORS creamy aloe shampoo. It says deep cleansing. It says for rejuvenating moisture. So I'm going to go in with these two shampoos, and then I will take you guys along with me to show you how I make my homemade protein treatment. And I'm going to use this just once. Maybe the next time I do it is like 6 weeks later, because it will be jam-packed with protein, because the eggs have a lot of protein, the mayonnaise has a lot of protein. I don't want my hair to have like protein overload, so I will be using this. And I'm only using this because I don't have the products I usually use, and I do need to get my hair in check. It has been a while. It has been almost a month since I last relaxed my hair, and I have not washed my hair. I have not treated my hair after that, after I relaxed it. So I do need to get something done to it now. I started the process at 10:27 a.m. Let's see how quickly I can get this done. So now that I have shampooed my hair, I am going to make that protein treatment that I want to use. So it's just mayonnaise, egg, and some of my hair growth oil. Mixture of that, add it to my hair. I'm going to use one of my garbage bags because I don't have any of the shower cap thingy. I'm going to leave that on for 15 minutes, and yeah, going to leave that on for 15. Well, this looks yeah, I'm going to leave that on for 15 minutes, and then I deep condition. So let's get cracking. Right, so this is what it's looking like. This is what the mixture is looking like. Pretty smooth. I would just have to, if you're making it, you just have to mix it out properly and the clumps will come out. So yeah, so now I'm just going to add it to my hair. Currently I don't have any of the shower caps, so I'm using one of my very small garbage bags to see if I can get some steam into this hair. So yeah, let's go. Whilst editing this video, I just noticed that I did not show you guys my deep conditioning step. So after I put the protein treatment in my hair, wash that out, I then moved into my deep conditioning process. The deep conditioner that I used was the ORS replenishing conditioner. I love this product because it actually helps with softening my hair. I love how my hair feels after the use, and yeah, that's what I used after the protein treatment. And then after that, I just allowed my hair to air dry. Alright, so I'm through with my wash day. The time is now, remember we started at 10:27. Yeah, I started at 10:27, and the time, oh, I'm funny. Yeah, so we started at 10:27. It's now 12:52, so not bad. 2 hours. That's not bad at all. So this is the amount of hair that I got from the entire wash day. Yeah, this is it. This is all that I got. Not bad, really not bad, for considering I didn't really washed my hair since last month, so that's not bad. Yeah, I must say my wash day went very well. Yeah, it went very well. My hair feels soft and everything now. Alright guys, so my hair is fully air dried now. So I did my nails. Yeah, I got my nails done. Pretty cute. Yeah, they're cute. This is what my hair is looking like after it is fully air dried. I'm loving the thickness of it. Yeah, I'm really loving the thickness of it. Yeah, I'm gonna attempt to flat iron my hair. I'm going to attempt to do that and see how this works out. I don't think this flat iron is compatible with the voltage thingy here, so I need to get a new one. But in the meantime, it's still a hot and everything, so I heated it to 370. Usually this has 3 bars on it. I'm not seeing 3 bars on it, so I'm just gonna work with it. Yeah, I'm just gonna work with it for now. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I have some, put this up a little bit higher. Yeah, so I have some like flyaways. That's nothing much, but I do love the results. Yeah, I do love the results. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, so this is what the hair is looking like. Yeah, let's do a quick turn around. I am going to see if I can wrap it. Here is lovely. Yup, I do need to get a trim though. I need to find like a really good hairstylist to see if I can get a really good, maybe a cut. Yeah, maybe a cut. Maybe I'll do a cut. But to top off the entire wash day, I'm going in with my Vitaglass hair serum. This is from my business. If you're new here, I had a hair care product business when I was in Jamaica. I stopped that because of relocating, so I stopped that. Hopefully I can resume. I want you guys to drop in the comments your thoughts on the end result of this wash day, because I can't get over it. I cannot, like my hair, it's giving. It is giving. Hair should have taller than this still, but we're gonna work with it. We're gonna work with it, see if we can get to at least mid back length by the end of the year. Hopefully we can get that. Yeah, so I'm just going to add 1 pump of this to my hands, rub it on my little flyaways. See like a flyaways here, so get like the back, and yeah, that's my little wash day routine, I air dried my hair today. Yeah, I think that's what helped with the, because even though I flat iron my hair, yeah, if you guys notice, even though I flat ironed my hair, it still has some like volume to it. Yeah, even though I flat ironed it, it still has some volume to it, you know, bone straight. But yeah, means if that up, man. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be in the know when I upload a brand new video. And remember, I will be bringing back my hair care videos, so you guys can look out for that as well. So yeah, that's about it for me for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me in yet another video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.